Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today we're going to make a Chinese style chicken salad that comes packed with fresh veggies and toasted sesame seeds. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 1 pound of chicken breast and some shredded ginger. 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. I used chicken and veggies in equal parts with both the carrot and celery weighing half a pound each. Half of a large bell pepper for color. First, let's marinate the chicken. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add in the ginger and marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Grate the carrots into long strips. We use only celery stalks, so trim off any leaves. Cut the stalk into 2 to 3 inch pieces. Thinly slice each piece lengthwise. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and let it sit for an hour to draw out any moisture in the veggies. Steam the chicken breast on medium-high heat for about 15 minutes. Adjust the time plus or minus 2 to 3 minutes for thicker or thinner pieces. Don't cook it for too long or the chicken will dry out and become tough and rubbery. Once the chicken is cooked, let it rest until it's cool enough to handle. Drain out the juice and remove the ginger. Save the juice and use it as a broth. Tear the chicken into small pieces. As you can see, the chicken breast is very tender and moist, so the steaming time is crucial to the taste and texture. Just a side note, if you're short of time, pick up a $5 rotisserie chicken from Costco. Use the chicken breast as it is. It's convenient and works wonderfully well. The carrot and celery have been sauteed for an hour. See how much water has been drawn out? Sauteing the veggies releases water in advance, helping to keep them dry even when stored in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Give it a quick rinse to get rid of any excess salt. Then squeeze out the water. Cut half of the bell pepper into thin slices. In a large bowl, combine everything: the chicken, veggies, and toasted sesame seeds. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Do not add too much soy sauce as the chicken has already been marinated and the veggies have been sauteed. Mix well and it's ready to be served. Every bite is layered with different flavors. The tenderness of the chicken, the refreshing taste of the veggies, and a nutty flavor with the crunchy texture of the toasted sesame seeds. It could be served by itself as a full meal. This is also a great potluck dish for parties. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.